The Alamo mission at San Antonio was in its seventh day of being assaulted by thousands of Santa Anna's troops. By the 13th day, Santa Anna's take no prisoner policy had all 189 defenders killed, including Jim Bowie and former U.S. Congressman Davy Crockett. The only Texas Army left in the field was Colonel James Fannins. It departed Goliad to rescue the Alamo, but was surrounded in open ground and captured. Santa Anna ordered all 350 prisoners executed. When the Mexican officer hesitated, Santa Anna sent another officer who carried out the order. Had Fannin's troops been left in prison, Texas would have been disheartened. But instead, Santa Anna's cruelty aroused world outrage. The Texas Declaration of Independence, signed March 2nd, 1836, stated, "General Antonio Lopez Santa Anna demanded us to deliver up our arms, which are essential to our defense, and the rightful property of free men, formidable only to tyrannical governments, has, through its emissaries, incited the merciless savage with the tomahawk and scalping knife to massacre the inhabitants of our defenseless frontiers. We fearlessly commit the issue to the supreme arbiter of the destinies of nations."